today's video I will explain how to deploy your React.js project on Render and I'm going to be using this project as an example for you to deploy it. But before you can deploy any project on Render, you must have an account. This is my account and yourself. You must have an account. After that, set everything up. The next thing is you must have a GitHub account that's been connected to your React project, to your React account, to your Render account. Now after that, come to this new to create your web static site. Any JavaScript project is a static project. Any JavaScript project except from all these framework that are used for mobile development, you can deploy them here. You rather deploy them on Google Play Store or Amazon Web Server or any other service for the deployment of mobile app. Okay, now next thing is to come here, copy your project URL, come to Render. If you can find it here, it's good. If you can search for it here and find it, it's good. And if you cannot find it here, just go there and copy your websites or your project URL, then paste it here. Now you see it here that I have mine here. This is my own. Let me connect it. And if you have a public repository you want to deploy and test out, you can copy the public repository and paste it there and deploy it. After that, any credential, no. Can you see now? If you want to configure your GitHub, configure your GitLab, configure your Bitbucket, but I've already connected my GitHub account to it, and on my account, these are the organization that has been connected to it. These are the organizations. After that, the next thing is the first one here is the name, unique name. Can you see the name is already in use? Now let's change the name. CSS front end. Okay. Now you don't need the root directory is optional. These are the big command that you need. Public directory. I have to save it in the build. If you run npm run build on your local server to create a build folder for your projects, I'm not using any environment key. I'm not using anything there. Next one is let's deploy the website. Okay, let's deploy the website. Deploy static site. Don't forget that this is the project we are connected to. This is the project we are connected to. Let's wait for this build command to run everything. It will show everything on terminal, just like the way it shows on your system. Maximize it and also minimize it. Okay, and let's wait for the deployment to finish. Okay, and now we encounter an error now. The error is from this folder that we set up the other time. This folder is build. If you are using create React apps CRA, that's when you can use this build. But if you are using Vite, that's when you can use this distribution folder that your project will be stored. Your project file, your CSS script, and your index together with your static file like image, any other thing that is on the project. Let's wait for the project to deploy. We are still waiting for it. Now that our site is live now let's check it out. If you see it, just how this as there's a dummy text. This is dummy that I used at that time. Just created this one when I started learning the React. That's what I used to learn. Okay. Now, another thing is to configure the error route to be redirected back to our home page, or if you have a custom error page, you can redirect to that page. Slash, let me just type anything. You see that it shows not found. Now let's configure it back to be redirecting back to our home page. Now come to redirect and you write, let's add a root to it. The first root is or the reason why for this slash star is to all the possible URL that are on the site that are not supposed to be on the site to be redirected to the root URL. And now what our root URL according to, I'll show you that one on our console. The reason why I added this index.html to it, if I added index.css or anything like that, to be directed to the CSS, but our main one is index.html as our default template that browser recognized to display our content. Our action is what is to rewrite the page. Now after that, let's refresh our page. Now it does not locally display. Now it's showing nothing. Now this one is I configured an error page for this website. Now why is it showing error? I'm coming. Static settings, main, this Rust build. Okay. Now the error that we encountered the other time has been resolved. Now after I added the rule, I have to redeploy again to start the error. I have to redeploy again. Now here's the page. Now here's everything. Now let me redirect to any websites or any route that is not on the server. Now so automatically redirect back to our root directory or root domain. Can you see now I have error, something went wrong. That's the error page that I created the other time. Now let's go back to one page. This login article. I just have some domain page. It has come to the end of the tutorial. Don't forget that. Okay, I said something about this index the other time. Let's go back to our deployment. Now if you check this folder, now this section, we have index, we have banner, washing. These are the images. This is CSS generated that's been built from the JavaScript React project, and this is the JavaScript, this is the index that will be directed back to. This has come to the end of the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.